Hey fams, welcome to series 3. This is the last series of us scratching the surface of new real estate investors in Nigeria. Okay, so many people have been asking questions as regards to real estate investment, and which is one reason why we came out with this crash course. So like I said, beginning of this year we'll be having several crash courses to help investors, to help real estate investors basically, so that you can learn a lot more about real estate. Probably you are somewhere in the world and you're watching this could really help you. Okay, so please make sure you watch it to the end. And guess what, this is a crash course of 3 series. So this is the last series, and we talked about the first approach, we talked about the second approach, and this third approach is really loaded. And I'm sure that you will be keen, you're very keen to know this last one. For those who have been watching the first and the second series, please, you need to drop comments. You need to drop what you think about our videos in terms of this series. You need to drop your questions. You need to let us know a lot more at the comment section box. This will help us do a lot of more crash courses for you, to help you. Okay, if you have several topics that are really important you want us to talk about, please make sure you drop them at the comment section box, because while you drop those questions, it's easier for us to do, arrange a lot of crash courses more for you. Okay, so free webinars are sweet, free webinars are good, and it helps you understand a lot more about real estate investment. So the third one is really sweet. But first of all, if you're new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button below. Turn on your notification bell to get notified on each time we post right on the Hatara TV. Follow us up on all of our social media platform. And if you're a subscriber that is always coming back, thank you so much for always staying tuned to Hatara TV. You are special. You are special. So regarding this third part of the series, it is loaded, and this property development approach. Series 3 is just going to share with you property development approach. How does that relate to real estate investment? Yes, it does. Investing in property development is really important, and it is capital intensive. So it's more like the biggest bro of all the approaches I just mentioned, because it requires, huge capital for it. And this involves acquiring, first of all, you acquire a land in a good location, a very strategic location. So while you are thinking of being a property developer, okay, which is another sweet way of making money off real estate, these are secrets, you may not get to hear from anybody easily. That's what you get on HTH and Pro Limited, because we want you to also bring out that money you have right in the bank and invest it wisely, because the bank are actually using your money also in one way or the other for real estate. Some banks give mortgage, some banks, support real estate companies, and you need to understand this game. You need to also get yourself acquainted with it. So being, a property developer is sweet, but it starts by you acquiring some plots of land. Not just acquiring plots of land, but in a strategic location. And you can't really do that without a professional realtor. Trust me. It's easier for you to say, yes, I can do that with my brother. I can do that with somebody I know. Sometimes it works better when you even work with people you don't know, because they are ready to deliver and they are ready to give you the best. So much more concern on clients putting in their money into the right real estate investment. So it's really a key thing for me, basically, because I'm also an investor and I have not stopped investing. Okay, so this particular, this particular properties that you want to develop and make money of has got several procedures. So if I'm going to go through all of that in this video, we may not finish this video. So I'm just going to hit important points for you so that you can find more time to either call us or ask us a lot of more questions and ensure that you are securing the best location for your property development. Now, property development, basically developing them into luxury homes, apartments, duplexes, maisonette, terraces, bungalows, fully detached, and all of that, fully detached duplex. It requires dough, cash. You need to have the money. So once you are able to have that money, you are able to start up your project. There are procedures you need to follow. You need to get yourself a builder. Okay, you need to gather costs. All right, so once you are able to gather the cost of building, or probably you want to actually build commercial area where you can actually be making money off, or you want to build commercial location and sell, like people will build shops and sell. Okay, so it all depends on what you want. And in all you need to do is to get yourself a professional realtor. One, secondly, you get a builder, you get the costs. Okay, so now you have the cost of the land you want to use to buy, you have the cost of building your suitable home. Okay, and what is the next thing? Then you need to check how much you want to sell those properties. For example, the cost of building maybe an estate, you want to build like a mini estate and you want to make money off it, and the cost is going for 200 million. Now, this is really, really a good deal. Okay, you buy that particular land and you make money off it. You sell and you make money off it. Okay, once you sell, you carry the money again, put it into land. Okay, buy again, build, and that is how you keep pushing and pushing and pushing it. So there are procedures to all of this that, it's easier for you to get all of this right if you're following these steps I'm actually giving to you. But the thing I want to really point to you is location. Don't buy properties because my family say this side is good. Don't buy properties because my friend said this side is good, or my friend said this particular location is good. Speak with a realtor. There are a lot of professional realtor out there who are ready to give you every information you need to ensure that you buy a good property. Now that you've known these three, strong, strong secrets, before you invest, what do you think? All you need to do is first of all like this video. So if you know you really like this video, do a thumbs up by liking this video and make sure you share it. Then, while you're still watching this, I also want to point out to you that for real estate investments, I'm scratching the surface of new real estate investors, but the ones that are old, that are trying to build property portfolio. I scratched it. Okay, so I've scratched it, and I'm sure you are able to do the needful as I speak, because doing the needful entails all of this we mentioned in series 1, 2, 3. Please make sure you watch the introductory video talked about a lot of things. Also, please make sure you watch that particular series. Okay, it is all on the playlist. So when you go to the playlist, you will definitely see this particular series, and you can watch it and share the whole series. There's a share button. Okay, once you watch a video, there's a share button, so you can share it to any location that you want. And do not forget to also drop comments at the comment section box. Once you see a good video like this, especially a crash course for you, something you can go somewhere, they tell you to pay for it and you're getting it for free, please make sure that you drop comments. Your comments are going to keep us moving. Your comments are going to make us say, you know what, Anne, you need to do a lot more for your clients. And if you have questions regarding this topic, please drop them at the comment section box. Let's talk. Let's see how we can answer a lot of your questions before you buy into real estate. Okay, so I've got clients who bought into real estate like last week and even this week, and they were very happy they dealt with HTH Ampere Limited. If you watch, I made a review of client review about Ibejuleki, and if you haven't watched that video, please watch it. Client review about Ibejuleki. I reviewed a lot of our clients' comments to HTH Ampere Limited about Ibejuleki, and I also want to thank every of our teammates who are supportive to ensure that this particular channel, we keep dropping videos every day. We keep dropping videos every day because you need to watch what is needful. Okay, don't just sit down on TV, Netflix, and all of that, and you haven't watched HTH Ampere Limited, because there are loaded content, things that are helpful for your investment, things that can actually make you a lot of money, So thank you so much for watching this, and make sure that you watch a lot of more of our videos. Drop topics you want to hear about, drop them at the comment section box, and we will be willing to talk more in our next video. Thank you so much, and I love you now and always. Bye bye.